Okay, that's me in my room now in Blackpool, and I've even got soap and towels and stuff like that. I wasn't expecting any of that. Not only did I get that, but I seem to have a kettle here with milk and tea, and TV is present and correct. So you even got a shaver plug if I needed it, but I don't really need that. But little sink, so it's perfect for what I've got, and I just paid next to nothing for it. It was like £19 a night. So there we go, I think I'll enjoy this. Saturday morning in Blackpool. This is this strange arrangement here. Below in the streets. Like seating that looks like pie tins almost. And these funny borders up top. Banking district really, I suppose. Building Society and Barclays, and that rest on the same street. Flanagan's down there in the Seafront there. Saturday morning, Airshow's on today at 2 o'clock, so we'll go and do that. And take even more pictures of aeroplanes flying over. The other day there, yesterday, there's a couple of Spitfires and some other old planes flying about, so managed to capture them. Lighting, whatever it is that they've got. There's a nightclub I've never been in. Don't know if I'll go there actually at all. Maybe not this time anyway. Maybe another time. There's business down there, I've been in there once or twice just for a bottomless coffee or a tea. The good thing about getting coffee or tea at Wetherspoons is you can go and fill it up and down as much as you like. There's a street car park as well. Just down the architecture here with this Progress building. Let's see if it's going to be a beautiful day today. Hopefully continue over to Sunday and the rest of the week. Then we'll get up the road early Wednesday morning and pack this carry on in. Okay. show you how busy Blackpool was. Look at the number of coaches here. It's like tons, and there's coaches up there as well.